If you are a student or a researcher, this video is for you because a new model is going very much popular and this one is from Google. I hope so. By seeing this image, you can understand I'm talking about which model. So in the field of artificial intelligence, we are seeing a latest update. A new model from Google is going very much popular, which can generate any type of research papers or any type of diagrams just by a single text prompt. So yeah, the name of the model is Paper Banana. It is not a Nano Banana Pro type stuff for generating images, although the Nano Banana Pro hallucinate for generating diagram images or make attractive images for your use case. But yeah, this is capable for doing this. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I bring regularly AI related videos on my channel, so you can be stay updated. For example, consider you want a diagram of photosynthesis with a deep understanding of a knowledge with all types of detailing. So yeah, this type of model is similar to a Paper Banana can do it and achieve it. Here are some of the examples. Here is a complex examples of a diagram which are generated using these models. For example, this distribution, they have uses for graphs, architecture, how you can build your own custom diagrams for your use case. If you are a researcher and if you are working on a data analysis, you know that for building this type of stuff you require lots of skills related to editing, and you need some specific images for edit it and optimize and build this type of papers. But with the help of this Paper Banana, you can easily generate this and easily interact and build your own custom diagrams for your use case. If you are building a type of system design, you can prefer this just by a single text prompt. It will build for you with according to your design, and you can further optimize it by just providing editing with the help of edits. And yeah, here is the Paper Banana framework. First of all, it takes an input as a source content where you can provide how your diagram should look like. Then it is passes through the retriever agent, then relevant example, then planner agent, and initial description. It is combined with this stuff, and with a reference set, then it is passed to stylist agent, and this stylist agent is used for designing your diagram according to your use case. Here you can see there was a reference as a diagram of a pie chart with a bar graph, and at last it is generated in loop with a critic agent. It is a type of reflexive architecture. If you prefer AI agentic stuff, then this visualize generate again and again, and critic defines errors, and then it tries to generate and recreate and modify and further and improve it. Using this critic agent, it can solve the problems related to it. So yeah, this artist agent can perform various types of tasks and solve problems easily. Here you can see another. This is a diagram generated using this. It was for science and application agent using vision perspective and generative learning. Means you can prefer your any type of diagram or any type of use case. According to that, you have to just provide a huge amount of description what you want in a diagram, and this model will generate for you. Here you can see a complex diagram. For generating this type of diagram, you need strong foundation knowledge of matplotlib for system design or data analysis. But yeah, just by a single prompt or text inputs, you can get a realistic this type of diagram. So this is completely insane, and this Nano Banana is very much capable, and this is the product of Google, so you know that it is very much capable for generating this type of stuff. In a research, it can play very much crucial role. We talk about this benchmarks. For example, they above models are just for image generation, but as compared to that, for paper to generation, here you can see there is a benchmark of paper to any. It is similar to Nano Banana Pro but agentic framework, but accuracy of these models they have shown it is not I think so they have not displayed. I think so, yeah, GPT image 1.5 and Nano Banana Pro, but yeah, it is not shown the benchmark related stuff. But in future we can see the benchmark, but accuracy is completely inside because it is completely optimized version for generation of a diagram related to papers. Here you can see it is passes to the it uses a type of architecture for generation of the stuff, and how it can easily generate a complex type of diagrams related to your use case. For example, if you are building a type of research paper, if you are familiar with the transformer or any type of architecture related to generation of video or diffusion, these diagrams are very much complex. For generating this editing, you need various types of editing knowledge for building this type of image. But with the help of this, just you have to provide a description and it will generate an entire diagram for you according to your use case, and you can prefer edit it further if you want further improvements. Like a Nano Banana, you are editing an image just by providing image reference and trying to modify text or make change color color or skin tone. Similar stuff it is provided in paper banana too, but yeah, this is completely insane for generating a diagram stuff, and it is very much helpful for students which are learning and which want any type of visualization in their learning. For example, they can grasp easily. So I hope so love this video. Don't forget to subscribe because I bring regular AI related videos. So stay tuned. Bye bye and take care.